Try taking any map in the world and coloring it in with the least amount of colors as possible. So now 2 regions that share a border have the same color. These could be countries, cities, counties. You can even make up your own map and you will never need more than 4 colors. But how do we know this is true for any map? Well, mathematicians use a system of networks which simplify map shapes into vertices and edges. If 2 regions share a border, they would simply be connected with a line. We can use the induction method, which states if we know a certain series of networks could be colored with 4 colors or less, we can assume all networks could be colored with 4 colors or less. While the statement of this proof seems simple, this really got mathematicians thinking. This theorem was first brought up in 1852 when Francis Guthrie was coloring in the countries of England. He found he only needed 4 colors, but this proof was too difficult for himself to put together. So for years, mathematicians tried to come up with a logical proof. There were many attempts, but none of them lasted long enough before a fault was found. Then, finally, almost a century and a quarter later, 2 mathematicians named Wolfgang Haken and Kenneth Appel came up with a valid solution. Though it was a very valid proof, many mathematicians disapproved of this because it was the first major theorem that was proven with computer assistance, and it required checking 1,936 unit combinations at the time. Now it has been reduced to 633. Honestly, anyone could discover a simpler proof, but we all have to start somewhere.